Hey guys, Justin with AmericanTrucks.com here, and today we're taking a closer look at and installing the AWE Zero FG exhaust with black tips, available for your 2019 and newer 5.7 Ram 1500. Now, you should be checking out the Zero FG system from AWE if you're looking for one of the loudest systems out there for your Hemi-powered rig, and one that is packing the American-made 304 grade stainless steel build, and as an added bonus, comes with a blow pop. Well, let's get into the sound you can expect with the AWE bolted up. And hey, if you caught the sound clips at the very beginning of this video, well then you know where this is going. The Zero FG, which stands for Zero You Know What's Given, is an absolute screamer. There is really no other way to describe it. A little bit of rasp here throughout the revs and a whole bunch of volume is what you can expect out of this premium system. So, breaking out my Wake the Neighbor scale, I'm going full pull here, guys. 5 out of 5 on my 1 to 5 or 1 to Wake the Neighbor scale. Now, because this system is packing AWE's patented 180 technology, the interior noise while cruising for such a raucous system is surprisingly quiet on the highway. That's always a nice little balance, right? If you can have all that volume, all of that chaos on the outside, but still be nice and quiet, cruise grandma to the church on Sunday, well then I think you got the best of both worlds. But getting into some of your individual components and the overall construction of the system, right out of the box, guys, again, you're gonna notice that quality 304 grade stainless steel throughout. Now that does include things like your 3-inch mandrel bent tubing, and of course your signature Zero FG muffler here, which is responsible for all of that rumble. Finally, guys, everything is gonna pass through all of the included piping and out of your large 5-inch double-walled tips. They are slash cut, and they are shown here in diamond black, which I think is a really gorgeous finish, but if you prefer more of a traditional look, you could always opt for silver instead. Now, they do also include all of your clamps, quality clamps, by the way, with this kit to get the job done, and yes, the signature AWE blow pop, which I promise you will be getting consumed right after this video is wrapped by yours truly. Now, because AWE does use some really solid materials throughout this entire system, and all of their systems for that matter, they are gonna back this option with their lifetime warranty. Price point for the Zero FG from AWE will live in the mid $1,300 range, which honestly isn't terrible considering the quality of the build and the quality of your materials. Now, there will still be plenty of other systems out there that will be actually a good bit more money than the AWE, such as American Racing, Corsa, AFE, just to name a few. So considering your other options, considering what this is giving you for the price, I'd say it's a pretty fair deal. Now, another thing AWE likes to do is produce easy to bolt up systems that require no cutting or modification. In fact, this system, like many others from AWE, is not going to require you to do any modification or break out the Sawzall, and therefore will be a relatively easy bolt-on job that also, by the way, gets AWE's no check engine light guarantee. That's kind of cool. But now to give you a better idea of just how this will all come together on your Ram at home, let's head out to the shop for our detailed walkthrough and tool breakdown.
Tools required for this install include an impact gun, a ratchet, exhaust hanger removers, 17mm wrench, penetrating lubricant, 11, 13, 15, and 16mm sockets, a swivel adapter, the included Allen wrench, and a pry bar. What's up, guys? Today we're installing an exhaust on our Ram. First, we're gonna watch a quick uninstall video for removing your stock exhaust, and then I'll meet you right back here for the install.
First step here, we're gonna grab our hanger removal tool and pop the hanger off right above our resonator on our passenger side tailpipe. The driver's side tailpipe is one piece all the way back to the muffler inlet, so we're gonna attack that later. So for right now, we're gonna do this, and I've lubricated it with WD-40. That makes life a little bit easier. All right, next step, grab your ratchet and your 15mm deep socket, and we're gonna loosen up the clamp holding the tailpipe to the rest of the exhaust assembly. All right, hanger's out of position, clamp is loosened up. Let's get this exhaust pipe off. All right, so at this point, we're gonna focus on our driver's side tailpipe. Now, like I said, it's all one piece. I have a pull jack here right behind the resonator just to give it some support once we start disconnecting things. I am gonna remove this tip, however. Removing this tip gives you another foot, maybe foot and a few inches of extra space that you don't have to worry about feeding out of the frame. So we're gonna take this guy off with a 13mm socket. Next, we can pop the hanger out of the isolator using our hanger removal tool right above that resonator. All right, so now we can disconnect the hangers right above the muffler outlet. There's one on each side. Grab your hanger removal tool and get these guys off. Now, as you can see, I have a pull jack here supporting this as well, so we have two different points of support for this exhaust. Now for this one, it's tough to get the hanger removal tool in here, so I'm going to use my pry bar to get this guy off. All right, so next up, we're gonna focus on this flange here. Now you could bypass this and go straight back to the cat, but that's a lot of exhaust to take off in one piece, so I'm gonna separate it here. Now, once we have this taken care of, there is one more hanger to remove, but for now, grab your 16mm socket and disconnect these two bolts. All right, now when you pop this guy out of the hanger isolator, this is all gonna come loose, so you wanna be prepared for that. Before we do so, there's a ground strap here. I'm just gonna disconnect that from the factory tubing. All right, so that way it dangles here and we can reconnect it to our new exhaust later. So now we can grab our hanger removal tool and pop that guy off. All right, now you can take this exhaust off.
So now with our stock exhaust removed, we can install our muffler pipe. We're gonna get our two rods into our middle isolators first. And then we can raise it up and get it into our front one. Next, we can install our bolts in our flange. We've got new bolts included in our kit. We'll get our nut on the other side. And then we'll take a 15mm socket on our nut side and a 17mm wrench on our bolt side to tighten that down. Next, we can install our Y-pipe. We'll grab one of our clamps and slide that on the end. And then slide our Y-pipe on. And then we'll get our clamp into place and take a 16mm socket to tighten it down. Next, we can install our passenger side over axle pipe. So we're going to slide one of our clamps on there first. And then we can slide that on. And we'll take our 16mm socket to tighten that down. Next, we can install our passenger side tailpipe. So once again, we'll grab a clamp, slide that onto our pipe. Now on our rear hanger, we have isolator locks. So we're gonna slide one on before we put it into our isolator. And then we'll slide another one on the other side. Now we can slide our clamp into place and tighten that down with that same 16mm socket. Now these locks allow you to lock in the side-to-side adjustment in your hanger. So you're gonna make sure that your pipe is centered towards your tip hole. And then you can take the included Allen wrench to tighten down those bolts. Next, we can install our tip adapter. This has a flared end with our rounded clamp. That's gonna slide on here to our pipe. This allows you to have even more adjustment to get your tip straight. And then we'll grab a 13mm socket to tighten it down. And now we can install our tip. We're gonna put our bolt through the top, do a little cutout on the side, and then slide it on. Now we'll put our nut on the bottom side. And then we'll just line our tip up and take an 11mm socket to tighten it down. Next, we can install our driver side over axle pipe. So we'll grab another clamp, and then we can slide that over our axle. And now we can just line up our pipe and take that 16mm socket to tighten down our clamp. Next, we can install our driver side tailpipe. So we'll take another clamp and slide that over the edge. Slide that onto our over axle pipe. And then we can get one of our isolator locks, slide that onto our rod, and get that up into our isolator. And get another lock on the other side. Now we can slide our clamp into place and tighten that down with a 16mm socket. Now we can tighten down those isolator clamps, once again with that included Allen wrench. Now we can install our tip adapter. Center that up with our exhaust cutout and tighten it up with a 13mm socket. And now we can install our tip the same way we did on the other side. So that'll wrap up this review and install of the AWE OFG dual exhaust system with diamond black tips and rear exit for your 2019 and newer 5.7 liter Ram 1500, excluding the Rebel and TRX. Thank you for watching, and for all things Ram, keep it right here at AmericanTrucks.com.